Well, guys, today I'm going to show you some of my lovable projects that I've been working on since I don't know, since November 2024 or something. Right. My plan has been I've been wanting to first I thought of the regular journaling app like everybody does. I'm I'm so sick and tired of people doing like the to-do apps and like the journaling apps. My take on it was to have like a journaling app, but with like a bit more of a depth to it, like not just like journaling and like I don't really think I've been trying journaling like both in a real book and online, but I mean I'm just one of those guys that I don't I like the idea, but I just don't do it. So it's like I need another I need another take on it or something. So my thought was to have an AI, like open AI, do the to be like your sparring partner, like in boxing, you I wanted something to ensure like thoughts, you know. At least I thought that would work for me. So I did Journin. So I guess we can have a look. It's been a while since I opened up this one, but this is actually quite cool because and I also like the design, because when you're working with Lovable, to like it tends to use I don't know two, three different layouts or like color themes, design themes. And I mean, it works, but I spent so much time making it like this. This is what I came up with, and I actually love the name Journin. Like a little hint to like LinkedIn, you know. I actually bought the domain journin.com couple of months ago, and yeah, it's actually working. So you can have your account, you set up your account. I guess I'm logged in right now. I haven't actually tried it myself for like a month or something. It's like you can you can enter your dream, and I put this you can even press this button if you to speak, and I asked the AI or the Edge function, I believe, I mean, for people not to like spam or just like put in silly stuff. I actually had it you have to at least put in 8 words, because I mean, how else are you gonna describe a dream? Like I met a dog. Okay, there needs to be some kind of context. So we can try it out. It's like I dreamt of sailing the sea. I dreamt of sailing. Yeah. So I'm Swedish, so my English grammar is not perfect. I dreamt of sailing. I was. Oh yeah. Okay. Whatever. I dreamt of sailing the sea, and there was a storm coming. I was so afraid. I was so afraid. Okay, what am I supposed to call the dream? I don't know. Guess I have to ask AI. So this is actually OpenAI prompted to generate a title for the dream based on the content of your storm-tossed seas of fear. Perfect. And I put in this if I wanna make it private or public. Because I mean, sometimes you have you have a intimate dream, or you have I don't know like sensitive stuff. You want to keep it to yourself. You still want to journal, but you don't want to put it out there in public. So actually, this is my dream. I mean, from the beginning, it was like I thought that I thought that people were going to put in they were going to write a novel, but we people don't work like that. Sometimes you don't even remember your dream. Maybe you remember like segments or like just like a glimpse of a dream. So I made it possible to, yeah, put in whatever, and the AI is prompted to be like the best dream psychologist ever. So let's try it. Analyze dream. Oh yeah, this is the second step. Just to get some more context, like how how did this dream make you feel? So maybe this dream made me feel anxious, and actually I felt fear. And I have this slider where you can put in the level of like how aware you were in the dream. It's called lucid dreaming. So there's a lucidity level indicator. Like lucid dreaming is a thing where you're actually conscious while dreaming. So it's like you find yourself standing on a bridge or something, and you're actually aware. It's like you're waking up in the dream, like Inception, in a dream within a dream. It's like, oh, I'm dreaming. I must be dreaming. So you're actually aware that you are dreaming, and which makes it possible for you to almost like, yeah, it's like you're playing yourself in a dream. So you're capable of doing things like flying or go wherever you want to go or whatever. So it's like, yeah, I felt. So in this case, yeah, I was aware of what I was doing. I made choices in the dream. Yeah, I put it on three and start analysis. Here we go. Analyzing dream. Here we go. This dream reflects feelings of apprehension related to life's unpredictable nature. The storm symbolizes challenges and obstacles you may be facing or anticipated in your waking life. So, this is a summary generated by OpenAI, prompted to be a dream psychologist, and it extracted tags for like searchability or reference in the future or whatever. These were the emotions, and here's your original dream. And it's like, okay, great. It's saved and everything in your account. But I actually want to take this a bit further. I want to go deep. I want to chat with the dream psychologist, very best, top of the line, Dr. Dreamy. And I actually generated this like cloud therapist avatar. So this avatar is, yeah, here's Dr. Dreamy, your very best dream psychologist. Hello, I'm Dr. Dreamy, and I reviewed your dream. Would you like to explore any specific aspects of your dream, or shall we start with what stood out the most? This is also prompted to like initiate the conversation, or else if you open up the chat box and it's like it's empty, maybe you get anxious, or maybe you get like confused, or like what am I supposed to do? But so this is actually like, would you like to explore any specific aspect? Yeah, I would actually. Why was I sailing? Why was I sailing in the dream? So it still has your context of the dream, you know? And let's go. And these like text generating animations are actually quite cool. I think I got them from 21stdev.com. Actually, this is not very good. Okay, I think it's my computer. Yeah, it's actually like 10 years old. 10-year-old MacBook Pro cost like probably like, I don't know, 2500. Yeah, but like fully spec at that time. But oh my god, here we go. Sailing in your dream is a potential symbol, often representing your journey through life. The sea itself is a powerful symbol of the conscious mind in Jungian psychology. Like, this is where it actually gets serious, because it's it's referencing Carl Jung, like one of the greatest, I don't know, like psychologists of all times. I mean, it's a bit dark, but I mean, yeah, it's like it's the truth. I mean, what can you expect? Unexplored depth, unpredictable nature, uncharted territory. So, I mean, you can do whatever you want with this, but I mean, it is based on fact, it is based on real psychology. And I mean, you can just keep on chatting, and you can delete it if you want to. You can close it. So, this is your dream library. I mean, just imagine like doing this for like continuous for months, for years, and you're building your dream library. I mean, that's pretty awesome. And I'm using AI to like extract the value, because I mean just journaling, yeah, I mean it could be beneficial, but what to do with it? I mean, this is actually like, you can start to see patterns, you can extract information, data. Yeah, it's, I think it's quite powerful. And the fact, the main goal is to, for me, I live in Sweden. So let's say I dream, I have this like reoccurring dream of like getting a car out of a cliff or whatever, just as an example. So and let's say journin.com. I mean, let's just say it becomes a thing, and like people sign up, and let's say people from all around the world. I mean, let's say 15 people from different parts of the world have the same dream, which I don't know. I believe we do. I think we're quite the same on this planet. I don't think we're that different from each other. Actually, I think there are like a couple of categories or like types of people, even though we're in different countries and everything. But yes, I don't know what you want to do with that information, but I think it's like, I think I think you can do quite cool things with it. And then you can start like communities, and you can chat with each other, and you can like discuss things and whatever, go visit each other. I don't know. So that's, yeah, one project. And I mean, you can click in, yeah, you can see this is like February 10th. So this is still here. It's quite cool. And you got your, and this is the Explorer page. Well, obviously, there are just my dreams here, but imagine having like a feed, like the Facebook wall or whatever, with with dreams, real actual dreams from people from all over the world. I I think it's quite cool. I actually do. And you've got, yeah, okay. So this is also like, this needs to be like a separate app, I think, because first, I my take on journaling was like, yeah, you're gonna journaling your dreams, but I mean, are people really gonna do that? So I got a bit like, there's got to be something, there's got to be something else. There's got to be something more to it. You know, you get that imposter syndrome. You think, oh, this is not enough. This can't be good enough. So I added a goals, like a goals feature, and this goals feature is actually really cool because it has this chat feature. So if you want to chat with coach, it's quite funny. This is not just like, this is like a to-do app, like a to-do task manager and a goal accomplish task manager app in one. So this is also prompted to be a real coach with AI powered capability. But this is where it gets really, really cool. Like, what would you like to work on? I would like to learn, let's say, I would like to learn how to play basketball. Why not? I prompted the AI to be like optimistic, like cheerful, like playful, but also like serious and like actually capable of coaching you, so it's not like just like for fun or yeah. Let's see. Fantastic goal. Playing basketball can be a lot of fun and great way to stay active. What specific skills or aspects of basketball are you most interested in learning? Well, so okay, this is like I don't know if you would go this deep like learning basketball. Like what aspects of basketball are you most interested in? I mean, so maybe this is more for like specific, like I want to learn, I don't know, but why not? Just, I'm not a basketball player, so it's like, what aspects? Okay, I would like to learn how to dunk. That's specific, right? And I don't think I'm capable of dunking, so why not? Dunking is an impressive skill to work toward. It's all about strength, technique, and practice. Do you already have some experience with basketball or are you starting from scratch? This is where the AI is prompted to what we're doing. I'm not just chatting for fun. The AI is prompted to ask questions, and this is where it gets really cool. While we're chatting along, the AI is storing the info, the data, and eventually will come up with suggestions for a time frame, like specific tasks. Like we're having a conversation, but the AI will eventually make a proposal, you could say, like a suggestion for a plan, which I think is, I don't really know any other app out there doing this. So it's like a chat to plan, a real plan. It's quite powerful, actually. I mean, I'm starting from scratch. I can bounce the ball, but not anything more than that. No worries. Everyone starts somewhere. And it's great that you're ready to dive in. I actually love this because I prompted it to be like humble and understanding, and I think it nailed it actually. So to work toward dunking, you'll need to build your overall basketball skills and strength. Are you open to setting a timeline for when you'd like to achieve this goal? So now we're actually so now we're now the AI is trying to like extract like my like the AI is trying to set up a plan and actually get me going. So it's not like we can see I would like to learn this in 2 weeks. I don't know if it's possible, but why not? 2 weeks is a short time frame for learning how to dunk, especially if you're starting from scratch. How about we set a longer timeline, maybe a few months, to give you enough time to develop your skills and confidence? How does aiming for a goal in 2025 sound? Okay, that sounds great. I mean, I could if I'm aware of the like AI's capabilities, so I could in one sentence like I want to learn how to dunk in 2 weeks. I'm gonna practice 2 times a day. Blah 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 blah. But I actually think this is like the iterating is quite good actually. It makes it serious and it makes me think. I mean, why 2 weeks? Do I really have to learn to dunk in 2 weeks? I actually like the like I like the I don't know like the that it's true or whatever. What? Okay, there we go. How about aiming for March? Vad fan, det har March 1 already been. Okay, the AI might be. I might have to prompt the AI to know which date it is. That sounds great. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this because the video is getting quite long. But oh my god, here we go. Perfect. Now let's outline your goal. Here's a suggestion for what we title Learn to Dunk. Uh-huh. This is interesting because so this is actually marked down. Like this is indicating that title, like an H2, I think. These should actually be like designed to be like a highlighted or something like that. Maybe it will be. We'll see. Yes, please do. Okay, let's see. Yep, there we go. I like this. So I can just tell the AI to make these look nice. But this is what I love. This is actually what I love. In the chat to have the call to action. This is another level, I think. This is, I think, another level. Yep, create this goal. Awesome. Learn to dunk due 12 days ago. That's actually correct. It's the 12th, 13th of March today. So it's wrong, but it's actually correct. So, task learn basic basketball skills, strength, jumping, practice dunking. Yay! 100%. Why do you have two? What? Okay. Delete. Okay. Learn to dunk. Well, anyway, guys, I. What? Okay. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna keep working on my projects, and I'm gonna keep you updated. This has been something I really love, Lovable. If you haven't already, I mean, join their Discord. I've been there since like October or something. It's a blast, and you can get great help and everything. So yeah, see you later.